When it comes in getting started with affiliate marketing, discovering how you can promote your affiliate offer can be a big deal, because there was a lot of information, a lot of formula and strategy have been preached there in the field of affiliate marketing business in the internet, which can be so confusing, thereby making the information overload for you. In this video, I will be giving to you the best profitable way that you can promote your affiliate offer. I will be going to be covering how you can promote your affiliate offer and when are the best time for you to promote affiliate offer. All of these things will be coming up in this video to you right now. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Austin and this is Renican TV. In this channel, we do a lot of video on fundamental principles of online business that will help you to grow your income faster and make a greater impact in the internet with affiliate marketing business. Okay, so consider subscribing if you are just meeting. If you are just meeting for the first time, and if you are new here, just consider subscribing to this my channel. My passion here in this channel is to help you to build a room for a consistent income in the affiliate marketing business with YouTube. So we're actually in the 4-part video training series. All about is to how to start up your own affiliate marketing business as a new beginner. In part 1, I give you an illustration on how you can start up your own affiliate marketing business from zero, step-by-step guide as a new beginner, where I give you an illustration of 6 steps of online domination which you need to implement into your own online business. The 6 steps you need to invest into if you ever trying to start any affiliate marketing business in the internet. In part 2, I give you the illustration of 4 tools that you need to build up your website, to build up your own affiliate marketing business in the field of internet. A must-watch tutorial. If you miss any of them, just jump over to the 2 cards above and collect your spot there. Or you come over to the entire description below of YouTube. I will put the link of it here into the description below of YouTube. Okay? So here in part 3, the best profitable way to promote your affiliate product. So let's just dive into our one goal and see how you can do that to your business right now. The reason why so many people fail in the field of affiliate marketing business is because they were overwhelmed with a lot of information. How do I mean? Let me explain. Just wait. What I mean by overwhelmed by a lot of information is that as a new beginner, it leads you to so many different kinds of groups in the internet that teaches them a lot of strategy. Okay, they got a strategy from this channel. Then when they go to another channel, they got another strategy from the channel. When they go to another channel, they also drive another strategy, another formula that is different from what they got from what they got here, and also different from what they have also got here. Then as a new beginner, when you bring together all of this information, you overwhelmed with a lot of information, not knowing the particular one to follow. I don't know if something of that has happened to you before. It happens to me when I first got started in the field of affiliate marketing business. Now, how do you make a new beginner to get results faster in the field of affiliate marketing business? In other words, in order to make a new beginner somewhat, because this is a new person who has no idea of how online business works, who comes in the field of affiliate marketing, in the field of internet to make money, just like me. Yeah? Now, when he comes, he has no idea of how online business works. He was confused. He will be confused now. Yeah? Now, in order to make him to get information, to get results faster, we focus on one thing. We skip all of this strategy and focus on one thing, and which is results. How will he get results faster? That is what we should be focusing on now. Okay? Now, in order to make him to get results faster, we need 3 things. And one is the product. This product will be the product that he or she promoting online. Okay? Now, after the product, what you will need next now is the software tools. The software tool. Now, after the software tools, you have gotten this product that you use to promote in the field of internet. After the product, what you need again is the software tools that he used to build up his own system. Okay, now after the software tools, after he or she might have building up his system, what he need next now is what I call traffic. You find a way to drive traffic. Okay, now traffic, in order to make the new beginner, the newbie, somebody who has just got started into the field of affiliate marketing business, in order to make him to get results faster in the field of affiliate marketing business, the one thing is product. You need a product that you use to make money online. After the product, you need tools, the software tools where his website will build upon. After the software tools, after he was building up his system, what he need now is traffic. The traffic which you use to promote, traffic which you use to make money online. Okay, now this is where a lot of people make mistake. This is where a lot of people fail it in the field of affiliate marketing business today. This is what a lot of people teaches their students, and this strategy which they teach to their students are the strategy that was already moving. There was strategy that they are still running. Let's say around 2001, 2002, 2003. But nowadays, there are a lot of competition in the field of affiliate marketing business. You need such a way where you can dominate. We don't want to compete. We won't be competing with a lot of people out there because there was a lot of competition in the field of affiliate marketing business now. So we need to dominate in this field, not to compete with others. Because when you're competing with others, we are doing the same thing that they are doing. Okay? Now this is what they teaches to the student. This is what they teach. They said when you got traffic, when the traffic random to your website, and this could be your website, these tools could be your website, or could be a funnel builder or whatever. Just pay very close attention and see what I'm about to teach you now. Okay? When you get traffic, then traffic will run directly to your website. Okay? Then when you run to your tools, which you have to website, when you run to your tools, then you send in directly to your product. Does it make sense? That is what a lot of people teach their students in the field of internet right now. But this is true. But does it convert at all? It does not convert. Don't do it. Okay? The profitable way in order to promote your affiliate product is the way promoting your affiliate product indirectly. Why? Simple because this product is the product that you did not own. It was owned by someone else. Okay? So why wouldn't I promote products? Why wouldn't I promote affiliate product directly? The reason why I won't promote directly is simple because every of the products in the field of internet promises different things, and that is result. Promises different things. Okay? Now, when this person, let's break it down on how we can understand it well. This person coming to your website in order to buy for you, what is he looking for? This person is looking for what I call results. Results. He wants to get results. Now, the product that we promote could be, let's say, it could be handset, just like this. The product could be handset. It could be Android phone. It could be pen. It could be marker, just like this. Now, why I won't promote? The reason why I shouldn't be promoting, I shouldn't be driving traffic directly to my product simply because every product has the promise, it has the result that it promised. Like this marker. Let me give an example. Like this marker. This promise, the result which this marker promises, will not be the same thing which this Android phone will promise. Okay, so if you are promoting, if you are selling the product like this marker, and another is selling the product like this Android phone, would they be the same thing? No. So in other words, sending your traffic directly to your product won't make sense. It won't make it to converse at all. what will make it convert at all is that here, let me clean it so that you understand it very well. Now, what it makes it convert at all is that when you got traffic, then when the traffic routed to your website, to your tools, then you send it directly first to the result. And this result will now send the product, the customer, directly to your product. How do I mean? Just wait, I will still break it down for you, one after the other. I know that after listening, after watching this thing, you may still be confusing. But stay with me to the end of this training. I will prove to you why I said that this formula, this strategy is the best and profitable strategy in the field of internet right now. Okay? A lot of people don't know about this. But those who knows about it are making millions of dollars in the field of affiliate marketing business today. Now, let me break down on the way that you understand it more better. Now, this is the new beginner who has feeling like you, who wants results, who comes onto your web page, onto your offer in order to buy for you. He needs results. Now, when he runs onto your software tools, you allow this your software tools now to talk of the result that this thing will give to this person. You allow this your software tool to talk of the result that this Android phone will give to this person. Now, we allow this your software tools, this your system, to give this person the result, what this thing can do for him or her, what he or she can drive from this market, what he or she can drive from this Android phone, the features, the exact benefit, the exact satisfaction and utility that he can drive from this Android phone. You allow this system to talk of the result of this Android phone. Okay? Now, when this system talk of this result of this Android phone now the result also will convince this traffic, will convince this customer also to buy the product from you. And that is so simple. The best way to convince a customer, the best way to make a new beginner that comes in the field of affiliate marketing business to get results faster. And this is what my mentor Vic has been teaching me over the years, that turns my business around and change it to another level, which I don't expect. It take me by surprise. Okay, like I told you, people who know this strategy are making tons of millions of dollars in their life today. I know that a lot of people will still be confusing with this strategy. Okay, I know as I'm talking now that a lot of people will still not understand this formula. Okay, but let me break down. Let us go directly to practical example of how to structure this, of how to position this in your business. Okay, so this is how it goes, and this is exactly how to structure it in your own affiliate marketing business. Now, we focus, like I told you, we focus on traffic. Now, traffic should be the first thing. Traffic. Let me come. Okay? We focus on traffic. Traffic should be the first thing. Now, traffic. This is traffic. This is new beginner. A new somebody who comes onto your website. Traffic. When he comes onto your website, he's looking for a product. In other words, the result, your result, he's looking for a result, a product, which is simple means result. Okay? Now, when he comes, this traffic, one, you find a way to drive traffic. The pattern, the formula that I showed you is not the formula to drive traffic. The traffic will come. In other words, you find a way to drive traffic. The driving traffic will be through YouTube. Okay, or it could be through Facebook, it could be through Instagram. There's many patterns or many ways to drive traffic in the field of internet. Now, this traffic comes through YouTube. It could be YouTube traffic. It could be Facebook, it could be banners, it could be through Instagram or whatever, whichever way it comes. What I mean is that first thing you need to drive traffic. It may come to your YouTube video. Now when traffic comes, it will run directly into your funnel builder. And this thing, that is one of the tools that you need to use and implement into your own online business. Okay, like in our day number 2 video, I gave you the illustration of 4 tools that you must have into your own online business. Ever trying to build up an affiliate and a very profitable affiliate marketing business. When I made mention of funnel builder. Now this is your funnel builder. How does it work in your own online business? I may not be explaining everything in details now, but if you need the training, just jump over to YouTube card above. You will see the funnel builder, and there also I explain to you how it works exactly. Now, this is traffic. When he comes to YouTube or Facebook or whichever way that you use to drive traffic, it could be sold as traffic. Now, I'm using YouTube here to give you example. Okay. Now, when it's run, it clicks on your domain name. When it clicks on the domain, it runs to your funnel builder. And this your funnel builder is a software used to capture the mind of your customer. Then when he runs to your funnel builder, this your funnel builder to send him to a second sales page, which I call Dirige Video. Funnel builder, bear with me. Your funnel builder. Now, this your funnel builder will send this person directly into what I call Dirige Video. Now, what does this Dirige Video do for you? This video is just like a preferable page where you prevent the mind of this customer before sending it directly to your product. Okay? So before sending directly to your product, you fail his mind. You allow your software talks a little bit story about this product. Okay? You allow him to prefer the person more little. It does not matter what type of product you are promoting online. Whatever type of product you are promoting online, you allow this software to talk about this product and get to hear before sending this customer to your product that you promote online, which is your offer. Here could be the product that you promote online. Okay? Now before sending this customer, now what you do now is before this customer will go to this product, you prevent him a little before sending him to the product. But it does not end there. A lot of work, a little work still remains for you to do. Now, after you must set up your own tools like this, it remains. Here is the first session, is the first step that you need to take before starting to allow your system to talk of the result that this product will give to this person. Now, after you must set up your own system like this, it still remains. Okay? The next step that you need to do now is that you need a way that your system will talk of this product to this individual. Okay? You need a way to convince him most. You need a way to convince him faster, okay, in order to buy from you. Now, this is how it works. When this individual runs onto your capture page is never a full website. It's just a design independent sales page, a design beautiful sales page used to capture the mind of your customer. Then when you capture the mind of your customer, this customer will opt in here. The intention of here is to correct the email address, to correct the contact of this individual and store it directly to your autoresponder. Autoresponder is among the tools that you use in order to build up your own online affiliate marketing business. Jump over to the part 2 of this video. There I talked how you can use the 4 most tools that you need into your own online business, and autoresponder software is one of them. Here is how it works. Autoresponder. And here you see the best autoresponder that I recommend for you. The best autoresponder that I recommend for you in part 2 of this video is GetResponse. Then the best funnel builder that I recommend for you is what I call ClickFunnels website. All of this software, all of the link to this software, I will put it in the link description of the tool below. So let's dive in and continue to our training. Now when you run to your autoresponder software, when you run to your autoresponder software is an email software which you use to correct the email address of your customer. Then when you run here to your autoresponder software, which is your email software, email marketing software, then when he runs here, it's now the ability, it's now your time to convince individual to buy for, because that the first time which you see your website, which you see your web page, you may not buy this product. Bear it in mind, he may not be converted in the first time, okay, in the first day. So for the fact that you are with his contact, that you are with information, that you are with email address, it's right for you now to give him a training, to give you a teaching concerning this product. The result that this product will give to him, to written, the satisfaction that he or she will derive from this product, and this is how to convert this customer totally 100%. Okay? Now what we do now is that you carve out a video, you carve out an independent website that you created by yourself. You need to create it by yourself. Now another mistake that a lot of people do in this field of affiliate marketing business is that when you correct the email address of this customer, you will send it directly to the product, and which is not good. It doesn't convert at all. Don't do it, my dear. Run away whenever you see it online. I don't know why. The reason why a lot of people are still practicing, are still talking of this strategy today. And this is the strategy that a lot of newbies are doing today that kept them broke in their online business. So whenever you see it in the field of affiliate marketing business, run away from it. Never you promote your product, your own affiliate product, directly to the product. Okay? Don't promote your own affiliate link directly to the product. So before you send any individual, any customer that comes to your website, to your product, before you send it to your product, make sure that you allow your system, like the illustration I gave you, make sure that you allow your system to talk of the product, the result that this customer will be getting from this product, because he comes to your website because of results. So he needs results. And to me, we don't promote any product. We promote a product with high domain. A product that teaches people how to do something. A product that teaches people the exact formula they can use in order to get results faster. So I won't like to promote anyhow product. I promote a product with high domain. Okay? Onto the link description below, I'll put to you the program where I actually learn all this stuff from. Okay? Now let's go back to our training. Like I told you, never you promote the product directly. Never you promote your affiliate link directly to your product. You allow your system to talk of the product. Okay? So you send in an email address now. Now this your email address, the email address you send to him will be a video training. Did it make sense? Do you understand me? It will be a video training. Telling him about this product. Then the video training may not be 1 day. It may not be 2 days. It may not be 3 days. It depends on to you. If you like, you can run a complete 4-part series of video talking about this product. Okay? If you want, after talking about the product, now after telling him about the product, you not tell him if he wants to go through the process or to go through where he can see the product, he now goes directly to your offer, to the product. You will not show him the product, okay, that you have been telling him about. After the first video, you cannot send him another video, okay, that talks about the same product, that result that he or she will get from this product. Now, after telling him the result, that result is leading directly to the product also. It may not instant, it may not instant. If you like, you can capture his mind again by providing to him another value. Okay, and this is what I call value service. You can capture his mind again by providing to him another value, which also will lead this guy, okay, to the product also. And that is how to convert automatically 100% into your own online business. But hey, if you are just meeting, consider subscribing. If you have derived value so far from this my training, consider subscribing to this my channel. Remember, this is Renegan TV, helping you to understand the fundamental principles of online business that will help you to grow your income faster in the field of internet with affiliate marketing business. My passion here in this channel is to help you build a room for a consistent income in the affiliate marketing business with YouTube. So, if today is your first time of coming to this my channel, consider to subscribing to this my channel. Smash the subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon so that you will be the first to be notified when I upload a video next time. But before we end it from today's video, after setting up your system like this, you need an offer, a product to promote online. Like I told you before, I don't promote anyhow product. I promote a product with high domain, a product that actually teaches people exactly how they can run their business online. And that's what I taught, and that's what I teach. I taught people in part 4 of this video, okay, where I taught the best high ticket affiliate program that you can use to make money online. That's the part 4 of this video. Just watch it over, okay? Then you know the best and high ticket affiliate program that teaches you, that took it by hand and show you over the hand of how exactly you can structure and position yourself in every online business that you want to venture yourself into. And that is it from today's video. Question of the day: have you started any affiliate marketing business before in your life? If you have done, what are your best way of promoting your affiliate offer? Just get me here in the comment section below. And what are your biggest challenges that have gotten so far using that same strategy? Okay, so let me hear it from today's video on the comment section below. Then I will see you in my next video, part 4 of this training. I will be waiting for you there. Okay, that is it for today's video. Peace be to you.